Hello, I am Dmitry and I like to shoot at me, and we developed a special drone. It's with reactive force. It's air blow inside here and go outside through this hole, and reactive steam, air steam go outside, and this is propulsion force for this drone. This wing can rotate and convert from helicopter mode to airplane mode. And we start. Accelerated. Air steam. Accelerate drone through the end of the wing. Okay, I think it's enough for test. The guy declares power. We stopped. Okay, it's big wings comparison with usually multicopters. Increases the energy efficiency. It's energy efficiency of these drones maybe like airplanes, and we can receive some more flight time comparison with multicopters.